Here I have the JBL Tune 710BT headphones, which I got for 45,000 naira. In this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a quick review of this product. So let's get right to it. In the box, you will get the JBL Tune 710BT headphones, an orange color USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a detachable audio cable, a quick start guide, and the safety and warranty card. My first impression of these headphones is the weight. These headphones are lightweight and the foldable design makes it easy for storage and portable to carry around. It has soft paddings which makes the headphones comfortable to the ears. It has physical buttons on the ear cups, and the buttons include the power button, the fast forward and back buttons, the volume buttons, the Siri, Google pause button, and the Bluetooth pairing button. The key feature of this device is the JBL Pure Bass sound. This is a common feature in almost all the JBL products, so these headphones reproduce high quality audio with deep and powerful bass. One thing you would never regret about these headphones is the battery. One full charge of these headphones lasted me for about 2 days, which to me is pretty good. It also has multi-point technology which allows you to pair the headphones with 2 different mobile devices at the same time and can seamlessly switch between them. This Tune 710BT allows you to control your audio and manage your calls by simply pressing the button on the ear cup to activate voice assistance. It also has active noise cancelling feature. Personally, I think this product is a good buy considering how much I got it and the value it gives. I find the headphones very comfortable. They charge quickly and last for a long time. The quality is good and the range is great. Also, the sound quality is amazing. And that's about it for the JBL Tune 710BT. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more tech product videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.